Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery on UPS Inform, and the model is Guardian 600A. So turn it around. There are 4 screws here which we have to unscrew. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have to take out the front cover, the front panel. You can use a small flat screwdriver here to release it. Don't pull it, just slightly take it. Rotate it again and lift up the upper cover. And here is our battery. How to replace it? Just disconnect the connectors on the battery. Take the battery out and in a reverse order place a new battery, connect again, close the upper cover, the side cover, screw the 4 screws, and that's it. So thank you very much, good luck.